Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple of weeks since I posted a video because I've been too busy with working weekends and that. So I thought it's about time I got one done. I've got the Itoigawa juniper in the workshop. So we're just going to be cleaning it up a little bit, taking the weeds out of the moss, cleaning the jins and re-lime sulfuring the jins. I've been checking the wire. The wire looks okay. I'll bring you in and give you a quick look at it. I'm just going to be trying to cut most of the weeds out. This tree's been on the go for 4 years now. I won this tree on a bid on eBay. I think I got the bid for about £58. I'll stick a picture up in the top when I first got this tree, and you can have a look at it. This stuff comes off the pine. It's bloody horrible. Gets some nice purple flowers on it. A couple of them's okay, but spreads like wildfire. This is one of my favourite trees out of the collection. Well, that's most of the weeds out. Which will do for now. Like I say, we'll only clean it up a little bit. I'm just cutting a little bit off what's going straight up. Needs a lot more growth in this apex, but I'm quite happy with the pads. Right, time to clean the dead wood because it's all green. So I'll get some water and a wire brush on that. So the other day at work, when I was driving past in the street, the window blew the bin open and there was this golem jade in the top of the bin. So I thought, well, I know it's a jade and I don't like jades. I thought I might as well rescue it just to kill another deer. So that was a canny find in the bin. We'll just see what happens with it, or I might have to give it to Scott Winard because he likes them. It's better than what I do. So what we'll do now is we'll get these gins cleaned up, then we'll come in and add the lime sulphur and get them back to nice white. So I'm just going to give it a light spray. Off a few dead leaves, like dead needles. And just work away with a wire brush, cleaning the dead wood. I'll let that dry off a bit, then I'll come in with the lime sulphur. So I'm just going to add a little bit of lime sulphur into this pot I never use it out the bottle because it breaks down. And we'll just gently apply it. This helps preserve the wood. It turns it white, it stops it from rotting. Right, we've got all the lime sulphur on now, so I'll let that dry and I'll put it back on the bench. So this was my first ever tray. I got the first award from our close show. I got best small tray in the show, which I was quite happy with. But as the years go on, it's only going to get better. It's all about time and patience with a tray. Okay, that's it for this video on just cleaning this Itoigawa juniper up. Like I said in the video, it's one of my favourite trays. It was just a little bit tiny up, just so it looks alright on the bench. So what I'll do now is I'll go back on the bench. These will turn lily white within a couple of hours, probably quicker outside in the fresh air. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!